Just need to hurry up. Welcome back to my 5th day of my virtual log. My name is Alex Robbins and I'm behind Arctic Norway Adventures. And if you like to find something out about the daily life in northern Norway, so stay tuned. Today we're going to do something interesting and see what will happen. I just need to hurry up. There's some working in progress in the tunnel and they closed it and they only open every hour. It's kind of annoying, but it's how it is. Yes, I also need, just in case, blue again outside. I just need to hurry up. Now I hope I'm not too much in hurry and I got everything with me. So I have only 15 minutes, but it should be okay to make it. In Norway they have a lot of tunnel maintenance. I was working at this before, but they never had this kind that they were closing for nearly one whole hour, that you have only once a possibility to get through. And the place I'm going to, it's the only way to get in and out, and it's the tunnel, so I hope I'm not late, otherwise I have to wait about 1 hour. So I need to find something else to do, but it's not good to stand there 1 hour and missing maybe the surf. We have now 0 degrees and the rope is like soap. As I was driving into the swings, the car was going slowly sideways, not because of too high speed, but of the conditions, of the driving conditions. So that means if you drive sometimes in Norway, the conditions can change from one day to the next day. You need to reduce the speed for keeping in the lane. Yeah, I just made it in time. Actually 8 minutes earlier than expected. But the journey is going on soon. And I was afraid that some people driving 40 kilometers in the 80 zone would make it that I'm not could pass through the tunnel.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
I'm just arrived. It looks actually not so good, but maybe there's some good sets coming through. The period is really high, so I see also there are 2 other people in the water, so it will be interesting. Just need to get ready, prepare my camera and my stuff, and then we're just going out and having some fun.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Jesus,
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a erase.
just returned and everything is washed, everything is put out to dry, my surf stuff here, and it's really important to use the dryer for the gloves and the shoes. Alright, so that was fun today. I hope you like this part, this video from I think it was a 5th date. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and Instagram, you could do it now in the upper corner. And in the description I have some links about my Instagram, TikTok. So it would be really nice if you could do that. It would help me a lot out. And if you would like to support even more my channel, I have a referral link to Epidemic Sound, where you can get the 30-day trial version of your own music you can do in your movies. And it would helping me, and it helps you. So, really nice. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumb up. See you on the next episode.